Hi guys, welcome to Jenna Tree Homestead. I just wanted to give you a quick update on how the rain gutter garden was doing. So these are the kohlrabi that we planted down here. And they're looking good, but I don't see any bulbs yet. So, but they're nice and leafy. I have discovered with this rain gutter garden that the rain doesn't really hit the bottom two levels, so I do have to come through and water here. But this is our mustard. Look at there, it's getting ready to flower. I'm gonna have to pick some of this and try it in my salad. I hear it's really good in a salad. So, and this is my spinach. It's getting warm enough out that my spinach wants to bolt. Look at that. It's not even really very big yet to eat. So I'm going to try and keep that from happening. But I should just pick some of it and have some little baby spinaches. Down here is my radishes, and looky here. I've got one big enough to pull out and eat. Where is it? There it is. Look at there. So I think I'm going to pull that one. Give the others some more room to grow. Look at there. I'm gonna have a radish for lunch. Nice. I don't see any red tops on, red tops on any of the rest of these yet. So we'll just let them grow. They should get some roots soon. Some bulbs. So on our lettuce, it did not do well. I had to actually replant this. So it's just now starting to get big enough to look like maybe it's gonna be yummy. So I wasn't impressed with those seeds that I used. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks exactly like the kohlrabi. I don't know how a kohlrabi would have got up here, but I'm just gonna leave it. There's another one. There's another one. So maybe I'll have some kohlrabi up here on the top too. So I did have to replant this lettuce because it just didn't grow and I wasn't impressed with it. So, but that was the seeds. It wasn't anything to do with the rain gutter garden. It was just because the seeds didn't take. So I didn't have luck with a lot of those seeds, so I'm actually not going to be buying any more of those seeds that are supposed to be coated with the special goodness stuff. So, but there's our rain gutter garden and how it's doing. So hopefully I'll get some kohlrabi and some more cucumbers, and I'm gonna have to try this mustard. And then I'm gonna have to figure out how to make mustard out of the mustard seeds. That'll be fun. So anyways, thanks for coming along on my update.